Wow. 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 Okay, so pretty much today is gonna be a spa day. I forgot what day it is today, honestly, because that's what happens when you take a vacay. Anyway, we're walking across pretty much where we're at right now to the spa, and we're doing the happy hour thing right now. And yeah, just totally relax. Let's get this. Push, push, push.
Ayaw. Hello.
Hello. Oh, you got it with it?
Have a seat over here.
Oh, cool. Thank you. You got it with it.
I'll receive ito sa ate.
Hmm?
Sa ate.
No.
No.
We're good.
Thanks. Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Oh, sit down. Okay.
Take your temperature.
Oh, yeah.
So could you please fill in the form from
Okay.
here? Dear madam. Don't forget your signature on the right corner of it.
Okay. Sounds good.
Some butterfly tea, good for antioxidant and the health.
Okay, thank you.
Can you try the tea? Oh, it tastes so good. It's the honey.
This is Lipton. This tea.
So funny. Maybe you could.
Ano?
Boss.
Huh?
Like this. Maybe you need this. It says like keeps skin glowing and healthy.
Yeah, my skin is glowing.
Mine is. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay. So it's like our egg. I picked this one. Who taught?
Where?
Yeah. No, I'm just joking.
Okay. This
Peace.
one over. You can see.
I need peace. See?
Warm. That's totally me right there.
Me also. I give you peace.
I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
You give me peace. Peace.
Is it
and
One
warm.
Piece? Is it One Piece or Piece One?
One piece.
One Piece.
Oh no, I don't show my nail because it's
It's okay. Mine are ratchet.
chipped. Yeah, the gel nail.
I wonder what else is the.
They have it there.
Oh, they have more.
They're selling it.
Imagine it's like cold. War. Cold War. matching, but not colorwise. Oh jeez. Oh shit. Here, catch it. Without getting wet, without getting wet, without getting wet. Because the other cap is like waterproof. You could try to get mine. It's just like a regular cotton. Ready? Yeah. Oh no! Okay, that shit will dry anyway. Oh, I bit it.
Don't open your mouth.
If I were to drown, do you think you could save me?
Of course not.
Yeah, I thought so. I'm like a crab right now.
It's such a cool flavor.
Yeah, it is, honestly. Can't complain. Once you get in the water, it was really good, honestly. Oh no, GoPro down! Do some like, huh? Oh, I want to do some cinematic stuff.
Huh?
I want to do some cinematic stuff. Go like this. Okay, so it's day, I forgot. We're gonna watch sunset up next to the villas where the reception is in the Centara Grand Resort here in Maldives. I am wearing a FLA. Ooh, gee, she almost dropped her glasses. And I'm just wearing a shirt that I got from Marshall's and some Van shorts. And sandals are from Hurley. So that's my OOTD and some Ray-Bans right there. And yeah, we're just gonna get some B-roll, photos, video, you name it, and do some romantic shit at the spot. So yeah, let's run that shit. Pretty much sunset just finished. You can see like in the corner of the right that I just showed, it was a bit cloudy, but it's all good. So just got some photos, videos done with the girl and about to eat. So yeah, can't go wrong with the sunset. Sunrise, sunset is just different up in the island area. You can't go wrong. Like peaceful. Yeah, I just love fucking sunset, sunrise, just a whole different vibe. So yeah, that's it for this week's video. If you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and more stuff to come. So, all right, see you guys.